Subscribe to my channel Rise of Technology and click on the bell icon to get more updates. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Rise of Technology. So I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation and cooperating with the government. So the main purpose of making this video is while I was going through some gaming websites, so I was wondering how are these websites made and what is the purpose behind these. So this made me curious and started to search. So after that I knew these websites are made using the HTML. Guys, to learn HTML we need to learn the difference between a website and a web page. A website is like a book and a web page are like the pages in the book. So the collection of web pages is known as a website. A web page is like a drawing paper. We use sketch pens and crayons to draw on it. Similarly, a web page is like a blank paper, but we use HTML to design the page. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And today we are going to learn about HTML in this video. So let's get into the video. So guys, the first step we have to do is we have to open Notepad because we are going to write all the codes and execute in Notepad. So first thing we have to do is give arrow bracket open, then write HTML and then close it. This is the main command in HTML. This we have to open with this and close with this. So I will close it now. It is your wish, you can close it afterwards or at the first only. But for making it easy, I will close it first. So I have given arrow bracket, then slash, then HTML, then close it. I give slash before HTML while closing is because for closing a code, we have to give slash before that code. Okay. So the main thing to learn about HTML now is there are two types of codes. One is empty tag and another is container tag. So container tag is nothing but which has a role in it and is seen in the web page, and we have to put slash before those container tags. It's a rule. And empty tags are those tags which also have a role, but we should not place a slash before them. Okay, but they have a role in it and are not seen in the web page. So head. So HTML comprises head and body. Okay, and in the head it comprises of title. So after head I will give enter and write title, TITLE. So you all are thinking what is title? Title is nothing but the name of our web page. So I want the name of my web page as Rohit, my name, and close it on the same line, slash TITLE. So don't forget to give a slash or else it will not execute. So I will give enter. Then I told as head only comprises of title, so I will close the head now because nothing is left. So slash head. Okay, now after head I told HTML comprises of head and body. So head is over, our head is over, and now we will start with the body. I am typing slowly to make you understand. So body is the content of the HTML web page. So a body we can put title means heading of our web page. Like my heading of my web page, I think it should be about Rohit. So it can contain my picture, link, anything, and your wish. So now I'm just going to give a heading. So bracket h1. So you all are wondering what is h1. H is the heading and 1 is the biggest heading. So means I will show you. Wait, I'll write about Rohit. Okay, so this is a container tag, so I will give a slash before h1 and close it. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to save this, means it is written untitled, so we have to save it. So for this, for saving, we can give Control S or go to file, save as, or save. I will give save as. Okay, so I'm going to save it in desktop, naming Rohit, and I will give .html, because if we write txt, it will not, the HTML web page will not execute. So if we give .html, it will execute. This is the rule. So I will save it. Okay, I will close this window. So it came, Rohit, and this is coming in Chrome browser, because for web page it also already comes in Chrome browser. So if your Chrome browser is having any issues, so you can do open with, then go to Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, anything. But I am opening in Google Chrome because it is safe. See about Rohit. Okay, a web page. Okay, coming up with the h1 means the sizes of the heading. So h1 is the highest, means it will come this much width. And now h2, I will show everything. The sizes of the heading are from h1 to h6. h6 is the smallest and h1 is the biggest. So we'll try h2. Okay, now I will try x3. x4. x5. h6. Okay, so I will save it. Control S means save, and I will reload here. See, the size is changing. So to make it better, I will make this also white. Control S. Okay. So now I want to write a paragraph. So how should I write? So it's very simple. To make the computer understand easily. Oh, sorry. Okay, to make the computer understand easily, we have to mention P before writing a paragraph. So we can write how many words we want, or else it will come under the heading. So P. Okay, I will write my name is okay, I am a good boy. I mother. Okay, so we will save it and reload it. See, this is a paragraph. Oh, I forgot. we have to end the paragraph also, slash p. Okay, now I will save it, Control S, then reload it. So nothing is changed. You can end the p because it's just a paragraph, and I want to, this whole thing is in one line only, so I want to make it in pieces. So after Rohit, I want these things on the next line. So I will give BR. I'm giving breaking a line. So it breaks a line. So this is a line, okay? This is a line and it is breaking it, and these all words are going to the next line. So I will show this also. I want to take this in the next line, BR. So BR is an empty tag, so we will not end this, and we will Control S, save. Okay, my name is Arohit. I'm a good boy. I help my mother. So this is BR, and I want the word Rohit as bold in this line. Okay, so before Rohit, I will give. Most of you will know what is B, because B is a bold and this is a container tab, and I will end it B. Okay. It happens. So Control S, save. Then I will roll it here. Okay. It came bold. See, it's easy. And I want the word good in italics. So I will give I before good as we did in B. So I. Oh my god. Okay, now I will end the italic tab, slash I. Okay, now I will Control S, save. Italic, see, it came. And now I want to make the word mother make it underlined. So I will mention U before mother and end it U. Okay, so Control S. See, it is underlined. It is very easy. So after the body, we will give an enter for making it easy to understand what is body and what is head. Big thing, we have to paste image. So what should we do? So for pasting image, this is a slide easy for experienced persons. So for image, the code for image is IMG. So IMG space SRC. SRC is nothing but the source of the image. So where should we bring the image? So we can bring from our files or the internet. So image SRC is equal to, then we have to go to our files. If you already know the format and where is the location, then you can already go. I'm going to my files. Okay, I'm going to pictures. So I want my pictures because it is my web page. Okay, I am choosing this picture and I will right click on it, then select properties. Okay, properties, then see the location here is written here in the properties. I will copy it, Control C, then go to notepad, then image SRC, double inverted comma, then Control V for pasting it. So here there is a slash, and we will also give a slash here. And now we will give the type of the file. So type of the file here is JPG file. So we will write here dot JPG G. Okay, so now we will close it, double inverted comma, then close it. But before closing it, if you want the size of the picture or else image, so you have to give the width and the height. So the width is equal to, I will give for example 300, double inverted comma, 300, then close it, then space, the height HEIGHT, then is equal to double inverted comma, for example 300 square image. Okay, now I will close it, then I will close this window, and I will go here. Okay, now I will save this, Control S. So I want to paste the link below the picture. Okay, so now I will paste the link here below the picture, and I will open with the bracket and type A. A defines the hyperlink. Means hyperlink is nothing but the link which takes us to another website. So href. href is the destination of the website. href is equal to double inverted comma, and I have taken a link which goes to another website, so I will paste it here. W3 Schools is the course which you can join free and learn HTML. So I will close it now here, and I will write learn more. Learn more. If we click on learn more in the web page here, it will take us to another website. So now I will end it with /a. Okay, I will save it, Control S, and reload it. See, learn more came. So I will click on the learn more for your reference. See, it has taken to us to the W3 Schools HTML tutorial. You can learn here. See, HTML tutorial, there are many things. So I will teach you slowly in bits and parts. Okay, so this is for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like.